next big thing in immersive at-home entertainment is here. An official DC-licensed board game meets escape room that comes to life in amazing augmented reality. Infinite Rabbit Holes in partnership with Warner Brothers. Discovery to Discovery Global Consumer Products announced the official launch of the Arkham Asylum files, Panic in Gotham City. This is a huge project with 100+ pieces of parts. Multiple materials, multiple production technology, multiple industrials involved, and huge pieces in one set that seamlessly blends state-of-the-art art technology with immersive storytelling. Appreciate the charm of customized packaging again.